Machine learning, ML, is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that enables machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every task. Instead of writing rules, you provide data, and the machine finds patterns to make decisions or predictions. How does machine learning work? 1. Input data. Provide a dataset, e.g., images, text, or numerical data. 2. Training. The machine uses algorithms to analyze the data and find patterns. 3. Model building. A model is created based on the data and its patterns. 4. Testing. Evaluate the model's performance using unseen data. 5. Prediction. Use the model to make decisions or predictions. Examples of machine learning. Image recognition. Example. Identifying whether an image contains a cat or a dog. 2. How it works. The machine is trained on thousands of labeled images, cats and dogs. 2. It learns patterns like fur texture, shape, and size to classify new images. Spam email filtering. 1. Example. Separating spam emails from legitimate emails. 2. How it works. A model is trained using a dataset of spam and non-spam emails. 2. It learns the characteristics of spam, e.g., certain keywords, phrases, to filter future emails. Recommendation systems. 1. Example. Netflix suggesting movies or shows based on your viewing history. 2. How it works. The system analyzes user preferences and similarities among viewers to recommend content. Self-driving cars. 1. Example. Autonomous cars recognizing traffic signs, pedestrians, or other vehicles. 2. How it works. Cameras and sensors collect data. 2. The car uses ML algorithms to process this data and make driving decisions. Healthcare diagnosis. 1. Example. Predicting diseases like diabetes or cancer based on medical data. 2. How it works. The machine is trained on patient data and learns the relationships between symptoms and diseases. Types of machine learning, supervised learning. 1. Trained on labeled data. 2. Example. Predicting house prices based on size, location, etc. Unsupervised learning. 1. Works with unlabeled data. 2. Example. Grouping customers with similar buying habits, clustering. Reinforcement learning. 1. Learns by trial and error. 2. Example. Training a robot to walk or play a game.